Hi, I'm David Pollon, and I'm going to play for you a tutorial for an arrangement of a Frederic Chopin piece that I've just arranged for novice ukulele. And the piece is his 1834 composition, Fantaisie-Impromptu, Opus 66, originally composed for the piano. And this is the second theme of the composition, and arranged for novice ukulele, it's in the key of G major. So first of all, I'm going to play the little piece, and then we'll talk about all the little tricks and positions that need to go into playing it. All right. So don't be afraid. It's for novices. All right. You should be able to handle this. Okay. Here we go. Short and sweet. So the chords that go into this piece, there's the G major chord, all right? There's the E7th chord, all right? We play the A major chord, we play the D7th chord, and we also add an extra finger. We add your pinky at the 3rd fret of the 1st string to give that E7th a little bit more flavor, okay? Maybe the most challenging part of the piece is near the very beginning, and it's there's a little melody that sounds like this. All right, so you're going to exercise the pinky. You're going to use the pinky. You make the G major chord, press it down, and then take your pinky. You're going to press down at the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and then play the 2nd fret where your G major chord is, and then go up to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, 5th fret with your pinky, and then the G major chord, and then play the G major chord one more time with your pinky at the 5th fret of the 1st string. It sounds like this. All right, and then there's several 2-note sequences. We're going to pinch with our thumb and our 1st finger. All right, and so we're going to press down with our left hand. Our 1st finger goes at the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and our 2nd finger goes at the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And then we use our 2nd and 3rd fingers at the 2nd frets of the 1st and 3rd strings respectively. And then open strings at the 1st and 3rd. And then we make the G major chord. Da, da, da. All right. And then we go to the E7th. G, A, D7. And then let's press down at the 3rd fret with our pinky. There, it sounds nice, doesn't it? Just adds a little bit more spice then. All right, now back to G major. Now the melody. All right, and then 2-note sequence. E7, D7, and then we're going to do a C6, which is the My Dog Has Fleas chord, all open strings, and then we finish, resolves, it transitions to a resolution on the G major chord, and there we are. Thank you very much for listening. This is on YouTube, and you can find the link to the song sheet and tab in the details of the video. It's posted to Flat. Thank you very much, and thanks for listening. I'm David Pollon.